Hello, welcome to Elizabeth Reads. Today we have Baby's very first tractor book. This book has wheels and you can actually ride it around. It will stand up straight all on its own. Panda is driving the tractor around his noisy farm. He picks up one pink piglet. Oink! Then he stops beside a field full of sheep. Bah, bah, oink, oink, and picks up two fluffy lambs. Now he goes to the goat pen. Meh, meh, and picks up three baby goats. Panda stops the tractor and moves all of the animals into the children's farm. Oh, what fun!